My name is Francisco. My project is basically scaling up the production of arrays using carbon nanotube fibers and films. So I am using Cambridge-made fibers and films. Just to put a rough estimate, fibers are around 7 to 10 microns in diameter. And I am using these to create arrays that we put into a vacuum chamber. And we are putting a bit of voltage, and we're extracting the electrons out of the tips of these carbon nanotubes. So basically my job has been to have a reproducible way of creating these arrays. We've gone from around 4 fibers up to 169 fibers, which is the current design that I have, and these are being tested currently down at the US. I have sponsored from the US Air Force. I have also been able to increase the field emission of my system, so I'm increasing the throughput of electrons that we're getting from the same Cambridge material, and I've been able to increase for around 3 orders of magnitude the emission that I'm getting from these fibers. So what I got out of the course for peer networks and things like that is basically we were exposed to different types of networking domestically and internationally. So we've been going to meet different people over at conferences in the UK and internationally as well. So we are being sent to 2 or 3 conferences overall. So we're able to contact people from industry or also from academia from the UK and the EU mainly, but also some American people are also there in these conferences. So it's been great. That first year of the EPSRC process really gives you the exposure to different areas. So if you're not too familiar with what you want to do, or you just like the topic, in the EPSRC you can actually have a long project or a short project related to that area or that specific thing that you want to do and test it out, see if it's for you or not. So I think that's quite helpful, that it just gives you that opportunity to test a little bit, see if it actually is the thing that you want to do for the next 3 years of your life and career. Plus you get all the training to use different machines. So we've done things with conventional machining, non-conventional machining. I think this course has exceeded my expectations. I think mainly all the people that are here really encourage you to go and do great research. They have the facilities, they have the people, they have basically everything for you to actually do whatever you want and explore different areas. But I can just go and develop myself in America, here in Europe. So I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going to go. Just opportunities are everywhere. Overall, when I first arrived here, I was not expecting to be so exposed to all these different areas. It goes from business to machining stuff with ion beams or lasers and things like that. It's just great. It's been amazing.